check out this beautiful arrangement. Oh my goodness. Isn't this pretty? It's all artificial. I received it as a gift from the company so that I could show you how beautiful it is. And it's beautiful. This is a really interesting faux flower basket. I've never seen anything like this, honestly. Look at the greenery. It's like silk, and there are different, of course, this hanging one gives it some depth and variety, but there's just a lot of different varieties of greenery in this to really give it some cool depth. uh, and they're, different colors of green. And then the flowers themselves, we've got like Gerber daisies, some roses, peonies, and then also some berries and fruit. Look at that, the fruit. How interesting, right? It comes like this. So the moss looking basket and the cage, the chain and the hook, it all comes like this, just right out of the box. It did look a little bit smushed, and so I just let it sit for a couple of days, and look how beautiful it turned out. I just really want to make sure that you get to see these little yellow, those are probably, I don't know, maybe forsythia, but just look how gorgeous that is. You could, okay, I have done this before. You could take the chain off. So it does have, the chains do just have like a little clip. Hopefully you can see that. So you can undo the clip if you don't want to do a hanging basket. You could take the chain off and put it in a pot and have it just kind of spilling over the pot. Isn't that gorgeous? I'm so excited about this. Let me show you where I'm going to hang it. Okay, this is by my front door. Look how pretty that is. It just has depth, it has color, and it's just absolutely gorgeous. Do you have a special place that you would hang this? I would love to hear all about it. If you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you would like to see more product reviews of really cool products like this, please click subscribe. Thanks.